everybody's out there riding around, looking around. Don't get in the water. Don't get in the water. Car department's out right now doing water.
What you're seeing here is the North Fork of the Kentucky River. It's typically maybe a foot deep and maybe about 12 feet wide. But as you can see, it's a lot bigger right now. I'm not going to say that this flooding is as bad as 2022, because it's not. But we've still got more rain coming. It could get that way. Everyone, if you're watching this video, batten down the hatches and get ready for the worst. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. The scary part is as bad as this is, it's still not even close to what we saw here on July 28th of 2022. Don't get me wrong, this is bad. I'm not taking away from it. But we've seen even worse here. As you can see, the church down here is in water. Sad, very sad. More extreme flooding hits eastern Kentucky. More flooding. This is February the 15th of 2025. Here we go again, folks. We've got a little lull in the rain right now, but we've got a lot more coming. It's not looking good. I sure hope this doesn't get as bad as it did in 2022. By no means is this as bad as it was during the flood of 22. But it's getting close. Crazy. I've only seen this river, this is the North Fork of the Kentucky River. I've only seen it get this high twice in all my years of being on this earth. The first time was the flood of 22, and now this time. Crazy.